Hello, guys, and welcome to Trade with Raymond. Today, I'm talking about the cryptocurrency graveyard. I'm talking about things that are happening in the crypto space, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I want you to like this video, follow me, and you're going to get incredible information. So you can really decide as to whether you want to trade crypto or hold your assets in crypto and so on. So let's get right onto the screen and let's learn. See you.
All right, guys, before I dive into the cryptocurrency graveyard issues, I'd like to talk about some key benefits of trading or using cryptocurrency in your transactions. You have on this website, because it's intellectual property, I didn't want to copy and paste. I wanted the website to be there so you can visit it anytime you want to. It's a very solid website with some very good information here. Easy transactions, relatively secured. Cost of transactions low, exponential growth. We saw that happening very quickly, sometime in 2015, 16, 17, thereabout. And then billionaires came out of cryptocurrency trading. Um, it's a huge market. The possibility of outsized returns is there. More private transactions, portfolio diversification for those who are interested in trading cryptocurrency as part of their portfolio. There are organizations that just trade in stocks and metals, but then others are adding cryptocurrencies to it as well. It's a potential inflation hedge. It's questionable anyway. And then cross-border payments. There are a lot of benefits and advantages. However, you can be caught in the trap of looking at this advantage without considering the risk, because indeed cryptocurrency is used for diversification, but this is a situation whereby we see a lot of exchanges going down with people losing their money. Before I go further, I want to give you some information about the market cap, and coinmarketcap.com gives all the information. Generally, you have about $1.2 trillion of cryptocurrency in circulation. Let me go to that area. $1.2 trillion in circulation. So huge. The currency market is $6 trillion per day. But the challenge with the cryptocurrency market is that, look, it was 2 trillion sometime in 2021 November. Currently, it's dropped to 1.2 trillion. So about let's say 50%, for ease of calculation, a 50% drop in the volume of cryptocurrency that is traded. And over the last 24 hours, just about $32 billion of crypto was traded. So what we have here is a situation whereby a lot of people involved in cryptocurrencies are just holding on to it. So you have 1.2 trillion in circulation, but at the end of the day, just about $30 billion is traded. Even sometimes less, sometimes 20 billion dollars is traded. And the reason is that, okay, let me get the figure right here. Okay, over the last 24 hours, $23 billion is traded. The reason is that people are holding and expecting to experience another 2017, where you have a huge burst in terms of the upward movement, and people made thousands and millions of dollars overnight. Because of that, the market is not really actively traded. Looking at what you have here as the entire market cap and what is going on here, there are so many exchanges. This is the official figure, but I'm sure there are some, crooked exchanges somewhere else. Anyway, that's just an allegation. And looking at this is a very interesting thing to see. If you go deeper, let's go a bit deeper, you can clearly see the volume of trade going to BTC, Ethereum, Ether, and all the other um, coins, including the altcoins. There's one challenge with this market. In spite of the advantage, there are dangers. Let's go to this amazingly designed website that has a lot of information. On this website, visualcapitalist.com, it talks about a graveyard, dead cryptocurrencies. All started on this 2013. There's some quality information about the market. And interestingly, it started slowly, and then you had people coming into the market gradually. And in 2014, that's where they captured a lot of data. There were scammers in the market. There were people just with no purpose, jokes. There were ICO initial coin offers that failed, that lived for just a short while, and other coins were abandoned because there was no trading volume. This is a lot of information you should sit and digest to make a decision as to whether you want to be in the cryptocurrency space or not. I'll look at the ones that stand out clearly. For example, in 2014, you have this color here, which tells you that there are 277 abandoned coins. And this doesn't happen in the fiat market. That tells you that even though the benefits were clearly stated on the other website, the risk is so high. They were overnight abandoned. You have 20 of them in the blue. So these 20 of them were scams. So if you had, for those who were holding those spare, expecting them to go up overnight, they actually invested in scams, and these scams failed and they would lose money. This is the issue. The lack of regulation around most cryptocurrency coins is a major problem. You have, especially in 2017 to 2018, where the cryptocurrency just moved up so rapidly, you realize that in this area, especially in 2018, you had 750 coins in the market. In this, you had about 390 of them being abandoned. 1 to 2 of them failed. They lived for just a short while. 12 of them were just no purpose or jokes, and 273 were just scams. So you have 273 of the coins being scammed. I mean, people set them up, they make the money, they shut down the coin, and they're out of the market. Since then, there have been many of them. This is a huge graveyard where between 2013 to 2022, you had a total, this is a huge number, a total of 1,338 between 2013 to 2022, you had about 2,383 coins failing. This is a huge number. This is a huge number. A huge graveyard between 2013 to 2022. You had 2,383 coins dying. And this is the statistics, is clear. So close to about 1,600 coins were abandoned. A little over 500 were scams. Some 238 failed. Some 33 were just jokes, amateurs, people playing around. And if you can see this figure, this should give you a wake-up call when you decide to choose a cryptocurrency pair to invest in or to trade actively. The deal is this. You need to find out who is regulating, because the problem with regulation is serious, especially those in African nations or other third world nations where people are so much interested in using crypto for transaction, buying online, and so on and so forth. There is no form of regulation in most of these places, and therefore using cryptocurrency is questionable, because you can subscribe to a coin and it may be a joke and your money is gone. It may be a failed ICO initial coin offer and you're gone. It may be a scam. Because if huge FTX, shutting down with billions of dollars unaccounted for, this allegation is huge. And I will encourage you to read this before you join the cryptocurrency business. So look, don't choose a coin that will end up in a graveyard. Do your own research and decide whether you go fiat or you go cryptocurrency. Have a nice day. Subscribe to our video, press the like button, and I'll bring you more videos later. Bye bye.